For some, adventure is a higher calling, the path not yet taken. For those ready to answer, we've built an all-new kind of Subaru, the Outback Wilderness. Ground clearance is elevated to 9.5 inches to help take harsh terrain in stride. That beats the Toyota RAV4 TRD. The 260 horsepower turbocharged Subaru Boxer engine is paired with new revised gear ratios to climb grades up to 40%. The all-new front and rear bumpers are designed to improve approach and departure angles on steep terrain. An advanced new dual-function X mode redefines sure-footed tenacity in a variety of adverse conditions and speeds. Standard 𝗙𝗿𝗍 driver assist technology and other safety features have been retuned to match the new vehicle height and off-road capabilities. Bold new matte finish wheels are wrapped in all-terrain 𝗙𝗿𝗏𝗃 tires for improved performance on mud, snow, gravel, and rocks. The spacious interior is our most technologically advanced ever, with an 11.6-inch touchscreen, water-repellent StarTech seats, and more passenger room than the Honda CR-V or Toyota RAV4. Exterior body cladding helps protect your Outback from the terrain and the elements. A glare-reducing matte black hood, anodized copper finish accents, and black finish trim add style to your adventure. This is our most adventurous Subaru ever. Discover more in the all-new 2022 Subaru Outback Wilderness, the first of our Wilderness family.